I damaged my skin barrier completely by using way too many products, and now I've finally strengthened it back up with just this one product. The ingredients are so hydrating. I know people may think it's got snail mucin in and they might get a bit scared, but this has literally saved my skin. It's from a brand called COSRX and it's the Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. It has completely transformed my skin and I finally feel confident enough to leave the house without makeup on. If I was to recommend any product, it would definitely be this one for acne scars, strengthening up your skin barrier and also hydration.
Somewhere to start. No need to ask, he's a smooth operator. Smooth operator.